Let's have a look at how to backflush your espresso machine. You're going to need one or two things to do this. You're going to need a backflushing disc to seal off your portafilter. I keep mine in a separate portafilter just so I use this bottomless one for brewing only. You're going to need some espresso machine cleaning powder, backflushing powder, not the descaling tablets that you can get, make sure it's backflushing powder, a couple of tools to get your machine in pieces, and some jugs just to get your parts into soak and to catch the water that we're backflushing, the dirty water that we're backflushing away from your group head. Most importantly though, make sure your machine is a machine that can be backflushed. I've got a Heavenly Fracino coffee machine. So if you're not sure if your machine can be backflushed, just have a look online at your machine, see if it can be backflushed, because you can do a little bit of damage if it doesn't need backflushing. Right, let's go. Because I use a different portafilter to the one I brew the coffee in, when I'm backflushing, I clean the basket and the portafilter of the one I use to brew the coffee at the same time. So put those in there to soak, and then we can get on with the backflushing. So when you've got your blanking disc in whichever portafilter it is you're going to use, get the cleaning powder, the backflushing powder. Now all you need is a teeny tiny half teaspoon full. That's it, that's all you need. Put that on the blanking disc and then put the lid back on your espresso cleaning powder, because you don't want to be getting that anyway. So that's all it is, a little bit of powder on the blanking disc, and then that goes in the group head as we're going to be brewing coffee. And then take out the drip tray. Well, I take out the drip tray because I've put a jug underneath to catch all the water that's got the old oils in that we're cleaning off. So all we need to do is run the machine until the pump starts overworking itself. For about 5 seconds and then turn it off, and all the water gets sucked back through the group head and expelled out into the jug. So we need to do that 3 or 4 times just to make sure we've got all the old coffee oils away. And you can see there the water's coming back through the valve quite clear. So the oils have gone, most of the cleaning powder's gone. Now we just need to rinse it all down, get it all cleaned off, and do the same again with some clean water. So we've got rid of all the backflushing powder, the portafilter's clear, the blanking disc's clear, the jug's empty. We just need to run it again without the powder to get all the powder from what is inside the group head, because we don't want to ruin coffees with that when we start making espressos again. Again, we just run it until the pump overworks, leave it 5 seconds and then turn the machine off. So the water's coming out the back of the valve now clear. All the dirty old espresso oils have gone. All the espresso machine cleaning powder's gone. We just need to take the group head apart and get the pieces into soak with the portafilter we're using in the basket. Okay, so to take this apart, we just need a screwdriver. Mine's a flathead screwdriver. Like I say, I've got a Heavenly Fracino, so don't worry too much if the inside of yours doesn't look exactly the same as this. It'll be a similar sort of makeup. Just be careful, because everything in there is hot and it will burn your little pinkies off. So all we need to do is gently remove the screw. Get that in the jug with the rest of the bits. And then carefully, really carefully, prise this away from the seal. There we go. So that's going to go into soak. So in here we've got the portafilter, the screw, the basket, and again all we need is half a teaspoon of the backflushing powder and then some water. Hot or cold, I just use the hot from the machine because it's there. When that's finished filling itself up, just give this a stir to help dissolve, excuse me, help dissolve all the powder, and then that just sits in there for 5-10 minutes, not very long at all, just long enough for you to clean down, get all your tools away, and get ready to start brewing coffee. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Remember, just have a look online to see you can make sure if your machine can handle a backflush. If you want to know what the bits and bobs are that I'm using, the basket, the cleaner, the bits and bobs that I use to make my coffee, I'll leave some links in the description below. Don't forget, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, it's epic_espresso. Have a look around the channel, there's some latte art instructional videos, there's espresso brewing tips, techniques, bits and bobs like that all over the channel. So give them a check out. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't really like the video, do us a favour, leave a like anyway. What's it going to cost you? Nothing, it'll take you 2 seconds. Any comments that you've got, any videos you'd like to see, let me know below. Happy brewing.